Hello everyone, Sejr here. I am here with my Flavor of the Month Banana Split July card kit. And this one is in the Tropics. Now, I have a feeling I'm missing one because I don't believe I did June. It seems like my YouTube channel has been a little bit quiet. And it just dawned on me after seeing July that I think my June one is still in the mail somewhere. So I'll check that out. But nonetheless, very excited for July. So I'm just going to open this up. I have not seen what's inside, and then I'm going to do one collection at a time in no particular order. That's just the way I like to do it. You always get 2 pieces of white cardstock. Then this looks like limeade and tangy orange, shocking pink. Very shocking. This is really bright and awesome. Snow cone, black licorice, and I'm going to guess cotton candy on this one. And these are all 100-pound cardstock. Now the tangy pink one seems a little bit lighter. I would say that's more of a 65-pound, but I believe it's all supposed to be 100. So those are really nice colors. I really like those. Very tropical. Love it. Okay, we'll start off with the first collection. And this is actually collection number 4 called In the Tropics. It always comes with one envelope. Each collection always does. And here is the card, the paper, sorry, for this collection. We have some really nice, bright colors. Not sure what you'd call that, distressed maybe. It's just a very subtle monotone pattern. So very nice, easy to work with, really bright tropical colors. Awesome. Those are very awesome. You also get some flowers from Doris, and they come in some nice tropical type color shades. So we got a green, a yellow, and a pretty orange one there. Those are really nice. I think we've had flowers like this before, not this shape, and they were white. Another collection. We get some sequins, and this one's a little different. I see something else in there. So they come in, there are a flat sequence, very flat, and they also have some shells in it. I don't know if you can see that, kind of back there. It's like a peach shell, maybe. Very translucent. Very fun, very fun. And then, of course, in each collection you do get a stamp. And this one is by Scrapping for Less, and it's called In the Tropics. So it's a nice little silhouette of some palm trees. And then you get the 2 sentiments, which is in need of vitamin C, which is a pun. Obviously, yes. and tropics like it's hot. Tropic like it's hot. Oh, I get that one. Sorry, that one took a little while. Tropic like it's hot. That's really cute. So that's what you get for a collection number 4, called In the Tropics. The next one is collection number 1, and that is called Tropic Vibes. Once again, it comes with an envelope, and then here's the paper for this collection. Really love that one. The leaves of different colors. And then you have, looks like a toucan with some pineapple and flowers. A nice gradient there. Some more flowers. These are really pretty. I love these. And here's some flamingos. A nice monotone pineapples. Really pretty. This one's really nice as well. Almost like sorbet. More flamingos and some leaves and some more flowers. So these are more on the tropical side and absolutely amazing. You get some enamel dots, and in this case it is a pink, almost transparent. You can kind of see through it. And then you get the ephemera. I love these little ephemera pieces. I'm not sure if Scram for Less designed these ones as well. I think they do design them, but they're just absolutely adorable. The flamingos, the toucan, and then the different floral arrangements. So those are really awesome. Look at that. So pretty. I really like this one right here. Then you get the stamp set. And this is by Scrapping for Less, called Tropic Vibes. And you get a flower there, the toucan, the flamingo with some sunglasses, happy birthday, tropical state of mind, and toucan do anything. Toucan do anything. That's another nice pun. So there you go. So this all comes in collection number 1, Tropic Vibes. The next one is collection number 2, and it's called Tropical Fruit. There's your envelope, an A2 size, really nice plain paper, and here's some fruit, flowers, more flowers, some pineapples again, some nice stripes, and you get some leaves and lemons and raspberries, looks like, and then some more fruit and some circles. It's a very bright fruit inspired paper there. You get some enamel dots, and I absolutely love these ones. It's that matte finish, and it's a pink. Really awesome. Love those. They just look so good to eat almost. I just love them. I get a piece of yellow twine. And then the stamp set is by Scrapping for Less, and it's called Tropical Fruit. So you have some pineapples, a pineapple with some flowers on it, a slice of citrus fruit, a lemon. So it's most likely lemon, but you could change that to anything. And then it says, when life gives you lemons, sell them and buy pineapples. And a pineapple a day keeps the worries away. So those are some really nice sentiments there. Really cute. So that is all from collection number 2. Okay, so that means next is collection number 3, called Watery Tropics. There's the envelope, and you can tell right away that this paper is going to be water themed based on the little bubbles and then the waves. Very nice, very blue, very watery-esque, if that's the right word. Love the watercolors there. These are really nice colors, and really brilliant paper. You do get some enamel dots, and these are, I would say they're white, but they kind of have a very slight blue tinge to them. It's really nice. You get some fine glitter by Doris. I don't know if everyone gets the same color, and this one just happens to be a yellow. And then you get the stamp. This one's an amazing stamp called Aloha, and it's just a beautiful scenery here with the turtles, the fish, jellyfish, the sun coming up. Just a really nice scenic stamp to play with. And then it does come with 2 sentiments, aloha and thinking of you. That's just really nice. I can't wait to play with this one. So that's what you get for collection number 3. Okay, so this is what I always look forward to. That's why I always leave it to the last. You do not get this unless you are a subscriber to the Banana Split. So that's the first one is all 4 collections in the paper, and then if you pay a little extra, then you get the Banana Split, which just gives you a little bit extras. So this time it's a little different. They do give you a little satchel to put things in. So I'm going to reuse that. It's going to be very handy to store some of my stuff. And we'll start off with the sequence bag. So you get some nice blue and clear sequence, kind of white and clear, and it's just a nice mixture of small sizes, blues and clears. So it's really nice. You do get the pineapple stencil. That's really nice. It just can create a nice background of all the, just a background of pineapples. Just really adorable. I just really like how detailed that pineapple is. You get a custom die, and this one, I actually am very happy with this because I don't have this actually particular shape. So it's nice that I have this added to my collection. I find shapes are one of the one things I'm always looking for. So that's really awesome. And I'm not really sure what this piece is. I'm gonna have to check online and see what you would use that for. I'm not sure if it's part of one of the stamp sets or not, but I will figure it out. Anyways, really cool die. And then here's a little treat, something a little different, watercolors. Comes in 8 colors, so you have all the basic colors. This is going to be fun. I haven't done this since I was very little. I remember as a child I had a little kit like this, probably not this company, but one probably Creole or something. So it'd be really fun to play with these again. And that's what you get for Banana Split. And that's what you get for July's Scrapping for Less card kit. I do look forward to playing with everything that's here. It's a lot of fun stuff. If you are not a subscriber, I'm not sure if there's still any left, but definitely check it out. And if you are not a subscriber, definitely sign up for it. It's a lot of fun, a lot of different elements to play with to create some real fun cards. Okay, so I will start working on my cards as soon as I can, and then create a video so that I can show you what I have created. And so until then, have yourselves a wonderful time, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.